That's why the police don't bother us.
Well guys, another awesome video from Haulover Inlet. This one was kind of a late in the day video. We got some nice shots. One in particular that I liked was the SUNSEEKER coming in. But guys, also I just want to remind all the subscribers that if you see the videos and you like them, please leave a thumbs up, and it's important to me that you leave a comment. That's the only way that YouTube will recognize that the channel is something that they should promote. For now, they are not doing it and my views are really low. But one thing is that I'm consistent and I'm gonna keep bringing you the best content that I film. And if you like yachts, powerboats, or even cruise ships, that's what I do. So if you want and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.